Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is part 14 of our series of session on F12 configuration for voucher type. So we have been viewing the F12 configuration for voucher type for purchase voucher and also sales voucher, as there are a lot of configurations which are common between purchase and sales voucher. So in this video, we will see the last option under simple configuration for voucher type purchase and sale. Let's go to Tally and explore the option. We are in the sales voucher. Now let us go to F12 configuration and explore the last option under simple configuration. So I'm going to press. In the previous session, we saw the option won on negative stock balance, and also we saw the option use voucher number as bill reference for bill allocation. So in this video, let us explore the option of modify all field during voucher entry. Now this option by default is going to be set as no. So what is the advantage of setting this option? So as I mentioned, this option basically will not allow a person when he is doing the voucher entry to modify certain default configurations. For example, let us go to the ledger master and explore the configurations that we have done in the ledger master. So let me go back by pressing Ctrl Q and let's go to the ledger master. So I'm going to press Alt G and then I'm going to say alter master ledger, and let me select the party ledger India Mart. So in the party ledger India Mart, if you see, the price level set for this party is wholesale. So we will discuss about the setting up of price level and the usage of price level once we go into the price level video. So this party, the default price level set is wholesale, and if you also notice, the default credit period that has been specified for this party is 30 days. So let us take these two examples. So one is the wholesale, which is predefined in the master, and the default credit period, which is predefined in the master. So these two fields, during the voucher entry, the user will not be able to modify it. So that is what we are going to experience in this session. So let me just come out of this master. So I'm going to press Ctrl Q and I'm going to press escape, and we are in this sales voucher. So we'll go back again to F12 configuration. So we set modify all field during the voucher entry as no, and if you notice here, applicable to non-taxation fields. So the taxation fields cannot be modified even if it is set to yes or no. So let's leave this as no and then see the impact of this option being set as no. So I'm going to press Ctrl A. If you notice, we are seeing the new field called price level. The price level is enabled here because we have enabled the price level and we have created the price list. So now let's make an entry. Enter. So the party is India Mart. If you notice here, the cursor is not going to the price level because the price level is already set in the master as wholesale. So when I go back, it will go to the party account where you can change the party account. The moment I select the party, the cursor will go to the sales ledger, but it will not go to the price level. This is what is the option we have set in the F12 configuration as do not allow modification during voucher entry. So enter. So I'm going to select the item as Dell laptop i3, enter. So I'm going to say two numbers, and whatever is the rate that is specified in the price list of wholesale will get picked up automatically in Tally. Enter. So if you recall, you are not able to change the price level during the voucher entry, and the second one we will see here in the bill wise detail. So when I enter here, By default, Tally is giving you new reference. So we are aware of this. Enter. So the reference number will automatically pick up the voucher number as per the configuration F12. Now you notice when I press enter, the cursor will not go to the due date column. Enter. The cursor is jumping from the reference number to the amount column. It is not allowing the user to change the default credit period which was set in the master. Let's come back and then make a fresh entry. So I go to voucher entry and I'm going to press F12 configure now, and we will go to this option of modify all fields during voucher entry. We will go and set this as yes. I'm going to press Y and I'm going to press enter. Now let us see the behavioral change after we have set this option to yes. Enter. I'm going to select India Mart again. When I enter, now the cursor is going to the price level, where if the user wants to change the price level of two different price lists have been created. So whichever the price list the user wants to select during the voucher entry, there is an option now to modify the default configuration from the master that we have already set. So this is where it is going to help you to set the option of modify all field during voucher entry. So let us see the default credit period, whether Tally allows the user to change the default credit period in the invoice that we are currently making. So I'm going to select wholesale, select sales. Let's select the same item I3. I'm going to say two numbers. It is going to pick up the rate of 40,000 from the wholesale price. So let's go and just change the price level to retail and then see what is the rate that Tally is going to pick up. So I'm going to press backspace again, and now we are going to select retail, sales entry I3. Okay, just refresh this and then you say two numbers, and if you notice here, the retail price has been set as 45,000, whereas the wholesale price we saw was 40,000. So enter, accept, and now we will come to the bill wise detail and select as new reference. So the voucher number is picked up as the reference for outstanding tracking. And now notice here, the moment I press enter, now Tally is allowing me to change the default credit period in this voucher. You can now change the default credit period in this invoice for this party from the default 30 days to, let's say we want to give only 15 days for this item in this invoice to the party. So enter, accept, and I'm going to accept. I hope this option would be of immense help for your organizations, where you intend the junior person in your organization not to meddle with your default configurations. So we saw two examples under the configuration of, one is the default credit period, where the user is not allowed to basically change the default credit period. At the same time, we also saw the price list. Once a price list is attached to the master, while invoicing, the user cannot go and change the price list. Now, these options coupled with the security control is where you will have the impact of not even going and configuring through F12 by the other person. So we will see as we move forward in our video sessions, we will also see videos based on the security control and also videos based on the price list and how price list is managed in Tally. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.